Let me give you a quick overview of the main thinkorswim interface. At the top, you have your main menu bar with Monitor, Trade, Analyze, Scan, Market Watch, Charts, Tools, Education, and Help. Each of these has a submenu that appears below when you click on them. On the right side of the top bar, you'll see buttons for Home Screen, Messages, Support, Chat Rooms, and Setup. On the left side, you have what's called the sidebar. This is where you can add various gadgets and tools. By default, you'll see things like Account Info, Live News, Trader TV, Watch List, and Quick Chart. You can completely customize the sidebar to show exactly what you need. You can add gadgets using the plus sign at the bottom, rearrange them by clicking the gear icon and dragging, or remove them entirely by clicking the X. Each gadget has its own customization options depending on what gadget you choose. For example, on a watch list gadget, you'll see a gear icon that lets you customize the columns. On a quick chart, you'll see a list button which lets you configure chart settings, studies, and more. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you add too many gadgets or they aren't sized to fit properly, you'll see a blue haze appear at the top or bottom of the sidebar. That means there's overflow and you'll need to use the up and down arrows to scroll through your gadgets.